Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 5, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.18. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 7.67%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.18% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.81% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 10.76% to 18.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 16.11% change over the next year, with a potential return between 4.97% and 19.03%. This implies a price range of $451.46 to $511.90 after 12 months. Our latest update for VOO brings good news with a green day on Friday. The VOO ETF price increased by 0.149% on the last trading day, going from $429.43 to $430.07 on Friday, January 5, 2024. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.85%, reaching a low of $428.65 and a high of $432.29. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by minus 0.01% for this period. On the positive side, volume has increased along with the price, indicating a positive trend. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 6 million shares bought and sold, with a value of approximately $2.45 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $438.84, while the lowest price was $348.74. Currently, the price is 2% or $8.77 below the 52-week high, and 2.54% or $11.19 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $441.26. Let's take a look at the signals for VOO, the ETF. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal, while the long-term average shows a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. As the ETF continues to rise, it might encounter resistance around $433.85, which is the level of the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the ETF falls, it may find support around $425.86, which is the level of the long-term average. If the ETF breaks above the short-term average, it will trigger a buy signal. Conversely, if it breaks below the long-term average, it will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals to consider, which might have an impact on the short-term outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a decline of minus 1.85% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, I'm going to share some interesting signals with you. Let's get started. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a sell signal. Next, let's talk about pivots. They also indicate a sell signal, but this was observed 12 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal is a buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. We also have the short-term moving average, which gave a sell signal 5 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 45 days ago. Lastly, let's consider the relation between the short and long moving averages. This showed a buy signal 41 days ago. Now, shifting our focus to the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average gave a sell signal just 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 39 days ago. And once again, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 28 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO, the ETF, has a significant level of support at $412.23. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there is a strong chance of a buying opportunity and an upward reaction. So, if you're considering investing in VOO, keep an eye on this support level. In terms of risk, VOO tends to have very controlled movements and is considered to be a low-risk stock. With good liquidity, the chances of major fluctuations are minimized. This is an important aspect to consider when evaluating the potential risks associated with investing in this ETF. Let's take a look at the recent volatility of VOO. In the past day, the ETF had a price range of $3.64, which is equivalent to a 0.85% movement. Over the course of the last week, the daily average volatility was 0.752%. This information can help you better understand the potential ups and downs of VOO. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO stands at $432.34. If you don't currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $412.23. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $410.92, which represents a decrease of 4.45%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 11 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity for VOO ETF, with a fair chance of performing well in the short term. When we look at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For Monday, January 8th, we anticipate that VOO will open up $0.267 and begin trading at $430.34. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your opinion in the comments below. What's your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.